EMARSI Scalping strategy that enables you to grow a small account. You'll be in a position to take at least 10 to 20 candles without being caught by a spike. Welcome, it's DC. Happy New Year. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most accurate scalping strategy. So if you're watching us for the first time, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and don't forget to comment what you think about this video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, guys, let's quickly look at how this strategy works. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the conditions, how we can buy and how we can sell using this particular strategy. Okay, so we have the following indicators. Okay, one, we have a trend filter. Which is this red line. This tells us when to buy and when to sell. For example, we're in crash, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. And then, so we have to wait for price to be above. These candles must be above this trend filter, which is this red line. Then we also have these two lines, the white and the line, these two lines. Then we also have on the indicator window the RSI. This is the RSI with level 10 and level 90. So what are the conditions for you to buy? So in crash, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. So the first thing that you want to do is to wait for price to be above the 200. That's the first condition. Then the second condition, you have to go to your indicator window, which is this line, and you have to wait for price to cross above 10. It took place around this particular area here. Okay, then you wait. You're gonna go now on the main window, and you want the candles now to cross above the line and white line. When that happens, you then take your entry. So you'll be taking your entry precisely at this particular position. So where are you going to place your stop loss? When it comes to the stop loss, so your entry is here. This is where you're going to enter. Your stop loss, you're going to place it just below this previous spike, Okay. Then when it comes to take profit, you're only going to take at least 10 to 20 candles. In crash 1000, crash 900, boom and crash 900, and boom and crash 1000, you're in a position to take at least 20 candles because the spikes, they don't happen that often. But in the other assets, for example, 600, 500, and 300, boom and crash 300, 500, and 600, you can take at least 10 candles. Okay, so that means you're going to enter here and you'll be holding the trade until you get your 20 candles and you exit the market. There will be situations where you can take more candles. You'll be taking more candles, but for now, we'll just be focusing on 20 candles. That will be the maximum candles that you can take. Okay, so let's quickly look at boom 1000. How are we going to use this strategy? So in boom, we'll be looking for selling opportunities. We are looking for selling opportunities. So that means the candles have to be below the red line. Okay, like what took place here. One, these are the conditions. One, the candles are below the red line. You can see these candles are trading below this red line. So that's the first condition. The second condition, we are going to wait for price to go on the overbought region, which is the 90. So when price crosses below the 90 here, that's the second condition. We wait. We're going to wait for now the candles to cross below this line and white line. When that happens, you then take your sell at this particular level here. Stop loss has to be just above the previous spike. This is where you're going to place your stop loss, and you're going to target at least 20 candles. But you'll see in most cases that the price tends to move in that particular direction for a very long time. So basically, these are the conditions that you follow when you are buying and selling. Okay, let's now look at the settings. What are the settings for this particular strategy? Before we go to the settings, I just want to announce, guys, a new challenge where you can trade in your demo account. When you trade in your demo account, the person who's going to get the highest amount of what, who's going to generate the highest amount of profit for that particular period will be in a position to win cash prizes. And also some of our products, our EAs and trading robots. So we're going to be announcing how you're going to be doing this, but you're going to need an investor password so that we can monitor the trades, because there will be rules that you'll be following so that you can enter this particular competition. So I'm going to give you further details in another separate videos. Okay, we're also happy to announce that we've launched a website. You can go and download some free products, and there are also some paid products that are there. You can now purchase some of our services, for example, VIP and mentorship lessons on this particular website. So visit this website. It's www.dcfx.com. dcfxtrading.com. So it's www.dcfxtrading.com. So that's our website. Visit that website so that you can get these amazing products. Okay, let's quickly look at the settings. So these are the settings for the RSI. We have period 5, apply to close, then the style is going to be 2 pixel with the color white. Then the levels. The levels, we have level 90 and level 10. So on our level 10, this is where we are going to be buying. So on our level 90, this is where we are going to be selling. So sell at these levels. Okay, then once you're done, you go back to your chart. We have this indicator window here with these parameters. So, okay, so let's go back again to the settings. On the settings, we're going to go on the main chart. Click on the main chart, we're going to have the following moving average. Is our first moving average. It will have a period of 3,000, shift to 0, method exponential, apply to close. Then the star is going to be 4 pixels with the color red. So there are no labels. Once you're done, click save, then go back to the main chart. On the main chart, you're going to click again on the moving average. This time, the moving average is going to have a period of 50, then the shift is 0, method is exponential, then on the apply to, we're going to change, it's going to be the low. So it's applied to low, then the style is going to be line. We're going to make use of line, and we have 2 pixels. We have 2 pixels. So these are the settings for the first exponential moving average. Okay, the next is going to be a moving average again. Then it will have period 50, shift is 0, method exponential. Then on apply to, we're going to use high. We're going to apply it on high, and then we're going to use white. So it will be style 2 pixel with the color white, then click save. Once you're done, you have something like this. So this is what we have. Okay, let's look at other assets. Let's look at other assets before we call it a day. Let's see if this is applicable to other assets. So let's try crash. We're gonna try crash 500. Let's see how this works in crash 500. Okay, what are the conditions? We have to be like now. Okay, if you look here in crash 500 here, okay, it didn't reach the level that we want. It didn't reach the level that we want. Okay. Okay, let's look for an example. So in crash 1, the first thing is that price has to be above, price is above our 200 exponential moving average, which is this, our 3,000, this one, the trend filter, which is 3,000. And then you wait now for price to reach the oversold level, which is our level 10, where we're going to be buying. And then on the main chart, you want the candles to cross above this line. You can see this was going to be a successful trade. You're going to get your 10 to 15 to 30 candles here. You see, this is how easy it is. Let's look at boom 300. Boom 300. Okay, so in boom, we want the candles. We're going to be selling boom 300. We're going to be selling. So we want the candles to be above. We want them to be below, below our trend filter, which is that red line. And then we're going to wait. We're going to wait for the second condition. Let's look for these conditions. So I think for some time it has been in an uptrend. Okay, let me quickly look where price was in a downtrend. Where price was in a downtrend. Okay, here we have an example. Okay, so what we have here, one, the price is below the 200 exponential, and on the indicator window here we have the RSI reaching level 90, which happened at this particular level. We're not going to enter here. We now wait for price to cross below this one, the white and the lime line, which took place here. And you can see after that, price then dropped. You can see we're going to get at least 30 something candles, which proves that this strategy is very effective. Go and try it out and tell us, guys, when you're done doing the back testing, how you think about this strategy. So in this video, we have an amazing promotion. In this particular video, we have an amazing promotion. So what we're going to be doing is this. If you subscribe to our channel, you like and you comment on this particular video, you're going to send me a screenshot. I'm going to insert my WhatsApp number in the description. Send me a screenshot and I'm going to send you a PDF that clearly explains how this strategy works. And for some lucky winners, I've created two things. We've created an indicator for this particular strategy in an EA. It's now available on our website. You can visit our website. I'm going to be randomly selecting at least 5 people who are going to like, subscribe, and comment on this particular video. I'm going to send you the EA for free, and I also send you the indicator for free, and I'm going to also send you the PDF for free. But for everyone who have subscribed and liked and commented on this particular video, you will get a free PDF. The indicator and the EA are being sold on our website. Visit www.dcfxtrading.com. So if you're interested in this, just make sure you subscribe, you like, and you comment on this video. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your day. It's bye-bye for now.